हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna, dear devotees, Anut Pranams. Thank you for joining in for our Ekadashi special session. Today is Indira Ekadashi Mahamotsava ki Jai. So from Brahma Muhurta time, we're meditating on Indra Ekadashi. How do we can use our Indriya in the service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead by cooking nice boga for the Lord, by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra with our mouth, by having nice wonderful darshan of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by doing arati, by offering ghee lamp, by offering flowers, and in this way, by engaging in kirtan, and all of these things, we can engage each of our indriyas in the service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna. So that's the goal of life. And especially if you do it on wonderful days like Madhavatiti, Bhakti Janani, Jetana Palana Kori, if you do it on auspicious days like Ekadashi, Janmashtami, Gaura Purnima, etc., then our love for the Supreme Personality of Godhead will manifest and grow more and more. So thank you for joining in for the auspicious Ekadashi session. Also a gentle reminder for devotees, once you complete the extra round of chanting today, tomorrow by 9 o'clock, please do update the Google form so that we can call out all your names and we can chant Narsimha Kavacham for your protection. So quickly, let's start with the prayers. ॐ ज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखय चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरोन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणा रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनासहितं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामीनिति नामिने नमस्ते साईते गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशधारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरून् दिनतारिणं परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यमीश्वरं हरिः ओम तत्सत्। Hare Krishna devotees, just 1 second. Shobha Mataji, can you please share the screen of the PPT? It's not opening at my end. Just give me 1 second. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Okay, Hare Krishna. Okay, allow participants to share. How do I do that? 1 second. Because this co-host facility is not there in this. Somehow it's not opening. I don't know why. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Okay, Mataji, you are the host. You can now you can share the screen. Is this the ID I have to make host? The other one. No, you can make. Now you are the host. So you can make your other ID the host.
Okay, Mataji. It's in caps. I'll make that. Yes.
Yeah. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. आजानुलम्बितौ भुजौ कनकावदातौ सङ्कीर्तनैकपितरौ कमलायताक्षौ विश्वाम्बरौ द्विजवरौ युगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरौ करुणावतारौ आराध्य भगवान् व्रजेशतनयास्तद्धाम वृन्दावनम् रम्या काचिदुपासना व्रजवधूवर्गेण वा कल्पिता श्रीमद्भागवतं पुराणममलं प्रेमा पुमर्तो महान् श्रीचैतन्यमहाप्रभोर्मतमिदं तत्र धरनापरा आई दीनदयाद्रनाथ है मथुरानाथ कदा अवलोक्यसे हृदयं त्वदालोककातरं दैत्यभ्राम्यति किं करोम्यहम्. Hari bol. So now it is opened. Thank you. Thank you, Shobha Mataji. All right, let's hear Srimati Shamapriya Mataji. Please go ahead. Oh, you need to unmute. Mataji, make me the host now, na? Or will the screen sharing go? Or just allow everybody to unmute? Or you can allow each individual to unmute, whichever is convenient for you. And please make it full screen, Mataji. I'm so sorry for the trouble. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Perfect. Okay, Srimati Shamapriya Mataji, you read next. Let me first read because I'm unmuted. Okay. Yudhishthira Maharaj said, O Madhusudana, what is the name of the Ekadashi that occurs during the dark fortnight Krishna Paksha of the month of Ashwin, September, October? Please describe its glories to me. Lord Shri Krishna replied, this holy day is called Indira Ekadashi. If a person fasts on this day, all his sins are eradicated and his forefathers who have fallen into hell are liberated. O best of kings, one who simply hears about the sacred Ekadashi achieves a great merit earned by performing a horse sacrifice. Mataji, next page. Shobha Mataji. Oh God. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Okay, Srimati Shamapriya Mataji, are you able to unmute yourself? Okay, maybe it's a desire of the Lord that I should read. Okay.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, I'm.
Okay, go ahead.
Hare Krishna. Announce Mataji.
Announce Mataji, go ahead.
Mataji, audible?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. In Satyuga, there lived a king named Indrasena who was so powerful that he destroyed all his enemies. His kingdom was called Mahishmati Puri. The religious king Indrasena took good care of his subjects and was greatly devoted to the Lord as well. One day, as King Indrasena presided over his assembly, Sri Narada Muni was seen descending. The king offered Devarishi Narada great respect and washed his feet, etc. Then Narada Muni asked, O king, are the 7 limbs of your kingdom prospering? The 7 limbs of the kingdom being the king's well-being, his ministers, his treasury, his military forces, his allies, the brahmanas, the sacrifices performed in his kingdom, and the needs of the king's subject. Is your mind absorbed in thinking of how you can properly perform your occupational duty? Are you becoming more and more devoted to the service of Supreme Lord Sri Vishnu? The king replied, by your kind grace, everything is quite well. Today, just by your presence, all the sacrifices in my kingdom are successful. Please explain the reason for your visit here. Sri Narada then said, when I descended to the Brahmaloka to Yamaloka, from Brahmaloka to Yamaloka, from Lord Yamaraja praised me and offered me an excellent seat. As I glorified his wonderful service to the Supreme Lord, I noticed your father in Yamaraja's assembly. Though he had been very religious because he broke an Ekadashi fast prematurely, he had to go to the Yamaloka. Your father gave me a message for you. He said, in Mahishmati lives a king named Indrasena. Please tell him that because of my past sinful deeds, I have somehow been forced to reside in Yamaraja's kingdom. Please give him this message from me. O son, kindly observe the coming Indra Ekadashi and give much in charity so I can go upward to heaven.
Mataji, next page.
Hare Krishna. As stated in Garuda Purana, someone who is suffering in hell cannot practice Krishna consciousness because this requires some mental peace.
So is there
which
anyone
the
else who
reaction-
has raised the hand? Then I'm not able to see here. Then they can read, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Sudha Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Sudha Mataji, go ahead. Thank you, Ramapriya Mataji. Yes.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna Mataji, pranams, dandat pranams.
Pranams, Mataji. Yes.
As stated in Garud Puran, someone who is suffering in hell cannot practice Krishna consciousness because this requires some mental peace, which the reactionary tortures of hell make impossible. If a relative of a sinner suffering in hell gives some charity in the name of the sinner, he can leave hell and enter the heavenly planets. But if the sinner's relative observes this Ekadashi fast for his suffering kinsman, the kingsman goes directly to the spiritual world as stated in the Brahma Vaivarta Purana. Narada continued, just to deliver this message, have I come to you. You should help your father by observing the fast of Indira Ekadashi. By the merit you gain, your father will go to heaven. King Indrasena asked, O great Narada, please be merciful and tell me specifically how to observe a fast on Indira Ekadashi, and also tell me during what month and what day it occurs. Narad Muni replied, O king, please listen as I describe to you the full process of observing the Indira Ekadashi. This Ekadashi occurs during the dark fortnight of the month of Ashwin. On the Dashami Tithi, the day before Ekadashi, rise early in the morning, take bath, and then do some service for God with full faith. At noon, bathe again in running water and offer oblations to your forefathers with faith and devotion. Be sure not to eat more than once on this day, and at night sleep on the floor. When you awaken on Ekadashi morning, cleanse your mouth and teeth thoroughly, and then with deep devotion for the Lord, take this sacred vow. Today I shall fast completely and give up all kinds of sense enjoyment. O lotus-eyed Supreme Personality of Godhead, please give me shelter at your lotus feet. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Page, thank you. Okay, anyone else has their hand raised, or let me read. At noon, stand before the sacred form of the Shri Shaligram Shila and worship him faithfully, following all the rules and regulations. Then offer oblations of ghee into the sacred fire and tarpana directed to help your forefathers. Next, feed qualified Brahmins, non-grain prasadam, and offer them some charity according to your means. Now take the food pindas you offer to your forefathers, smell it, and then offer it to a cow. Next, worship Lord Rishikesha with incense and flowers. And finally, remain awake the whole night near the deity of Lord Keshava. Early in the morning of the next day, worship Sri Hari with great devotion and invite Brahmin devotees to a sumptuous feast. Then feed your relatives and finally take your meal in silence. O king, if you strictly observe a fast on Indra Ekadashi in this way, with controlled senses, your father will surely be elevated to the abode of Lord Vishnu. After saying this, Devarishi Narada immediately disappeared. King Indrasena followed the great saint's instructions perfectly, observing the fast in the association of his relatives and servants. As he broke his fast on the Dwadashi Tithi, flowers fell from the sky. The merit that Indrasena Maharaj earned by observing this fast released his father from the kingdom of Yamaraj and caused him to attain a completely spiritual body. Indeed, Indrasena saw him rising to the abode of Lord Hari on the back of Garuda Vahana. O Yudhishthira, these are the glories of the Indra Ekadashi, which occurs during the dark fortnight of the month of Ashwina. Thus ends the narration of the glories of Ashwina Krishna Ekadashi or Indira Ekadashi, taken from the Brahma Vaivarta Purana. So this is very, very wonderful. This is also the Pitru Paksha period, right? Offering to the forefathers. So when we offer Bhoga to their lordships and then we offer it to the forefathers, then even if the forefathers are in not so good condition, then they will be delivered from that condition and they may be able to go back home, back to Godhead. So in this way, we can all follow that. And every day we do it, right? Every day we offer Bhoga to the Lord and Sarvam Krishna Arpanamastu, right? Everything is offered to the Lord and we also offer it to the crows. We keep it outside. So everybody, we try to facilitate everyone to honor Prasadam and in this way purify their life like that. Yeah. Okay, so today is a very, very interesting song, a very wonderful song. I heard this Prabhu sing this in GV. Very, very wonderful song. I've heard this Radhanath Swami Maharaj also sing this in the early, I think 1990s. There's a very wonderful video. So I thought this is a very nice song where we can request the Lord to come and eternally stay in our heart. Yeah. मेरे मन मंदिर में एक बार तो आ जाओ गिरिधारी, मेरे मन मंदिर में एक बार तो आ जाओ गिरिधारी, गिरिधारी गिरिधारी वनवारी मन मोहन कुंज बिहारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी। बहुत भार है तेर लगाई, बहुत भार है तेर लगाई, करुणा नैनन में गिर आई, करुणा नैनन में गिर आई, ये रोया एक दुखारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी, ये रोया एक दुखियारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी। माग जो हत अंकिया पतराई, ढर ढर पर माया ठकराई, ये देखो ये देखो दशा हमारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी, ये देखो दशा हमारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी। तोड़ी कृपा इधर भरसाओ, प्रेम बूंद प्यासे को पाओ, मेरी आया एक भिखारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी, मैं आया मैं आया एक भिखारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी। बैंड नहीं मैं कुछ भी लाया, बैंड नहीं मैं कुछ भी लाया, काली हाथ तेरे धर आया, मैं तेरा प्रेम पुजारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी, मैं तेरा प्रेम पुजारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी, प्यार करो चाहे ठुकरा दो, पास बुलाओ दूर भगा दो, मैं सब विधि शरण तुम्हारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी, मैं सब विधि शरण तुम्हारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी, मेरे मन मंदिर में एक बार तो आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी प्यारी, आ जाओ गिरिधारी. It's a very wonderful song. We will not have the time for the translation, but it is very wonderful, right? I am so eager to have a look at you, oh Lord. Please shower your mercy on me. I have not brought any gifts for you. I have come empty-handed. Yet I want to worship you with my love. So please come to me. You can love me or reject me. This is the same as Ashlishyava Padratam Pinashtumam Adarshanan Marmahatam Kurotuva Yata Tata Vividatu Lampato Mat Prananatastu Sa eva napara. So you may embrace me or you may leave me, but I am a soul surrendered unto you. Oh Radha Giridhari, please engage me in your service. Hare Krishna. Okay, next Mataji, what are we doing next? Okay, so today's two verses of the Bhagavad Gita. So today we're doing 7.7 and 7.14. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Nashtaprayeshu bhadreshu nityam bhagavata sevaya bhagavati uttama shloke bhaktir bhavati naishtaki. Krishnaya vasudevaya devaki nandanaya cha nandagopakumaraya govindaya namo namaha. ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की जय. ओके, 7.7. श्री भगवान उवाच मतः परतरं नान्यत् किंचित् अस्ति धनंजय मयि सर्वम् इदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव. मतः परतरं न अन्यत्. So Krishna is saying there is no superior truth compared to me. Na anyat, no one else. Kinchit asti dhananjaya, O Arjuna. Mayi sarvam idam protam. Mayi sarvam idam protam. Everything is resting upon me. Like sutre mani ganaiva. Just like pearls are being strung on a thread. Right? We don't see the thread, but Prabhupada explains in a lecture of this particular verse. Prabhupada is talking about how the planets are all moving in the orbit very wonderfully. Sun is rising at the right time. The sun is setting at the right time. The moon is rising at the right time in the evenings. Right? So all of these, how are they working so wonderfully without any accident? It is happening because of the supervision of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. 7.14, very famous verse. Prabhupada has given so many lectures in this particular verse and quoted this verse so many times in several of his lectures. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Devi Hayesha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratyaya मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते दैवी हयेषा गुणमयी. Right? Prabhupada says दैवी हयेषा गुणमयी. Right? This material energy of mine, this Maya Devi, the material energy of mine is very, very, very strong, very, very, very powerful. दैवी हयेषा गुणमयी mama maya duratyaya, very, very difficult to overcome the three modes of material nature. Mameva ye prapadyante. So immediately Krishna says very difficult to overcome, but Krishna immediately gives a formula. What is the formula Krishna gives? Mameva ye prapadyante mayametam tarantite. Mameva ye prapadyante. If we surrender unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, then mayametam tarantite. Then we will be able to cross over the three modes of material nature. All right. So these two are the verses. We can meditate on these two verses. Okay. Thank you, Mataji. You can stop the screen sharing and you can make me the host back. So I'm not sure if it's recording. Let's see. Okay. Thank you, Mataji. So what is the formula that Krishna is giving here? Maam eva ye prapadyante mayam etam tarantite. We all want to cross over the three modes of material nature. We all want to go back home, back to Godhead. We all want to remember Krishna at the time of death. In fact, we all want to remember Krishna 24 hours of the day. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyanta kalevaram. So whatever we think throughout the day, throughout our life, that is what we will remember at the time of death. Right? So in this way, so how can we remember the Lord all the time, right? That is what is mentioned here. Mameva ye prapadyante. We have to surrender to the Lord. And what is the process of surrender that is mentioned for this age of Kali? The process that is mentioned in this age of Kali is by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, right? And Kale doshe nide rajan, astihi ekon mahan gunaha, Kirtanadeva Krishna se mukta sangha param vrajet. Right? Kirtanadeva Krishna. Simply by chanting the holy names of the Lord and hearing the holy names of the Lord. Right? Mukta sangha param vrajet. We'll be able to transcend the three modes of material nature. Get liberated from the three modes of material nature. All right. So now let's move on to Bhagavad Gita. So we've been reading chapter 1 of the Bhagavad Gita. Last Ekadashi we left at verse number 22, where Arjuna is now not interested in fighting. What is he saying? Arjuna is saying, Ratam stapayame Achyuta. Take my chariot in between both the armies. So Achyuta, O Krishna, let me see who are all bent upon fighting a war with me. Right? So now Krishna is actually inspiring Arjuna so that he may have some doubts as to performance of his duty, so that the Bhagavad Gita can be delivered by Lord Sri Krishna. So in this way, we are seeing this is a set of verses where Arjuna is going to ask Krishna to take the chariot in the middle of the armies. And then he is going to see Dronacharya, Kripacharya, Bhishma Pitama and all of them. And then he's going to get bewildered. And he's going to tell Lord Shri Krishna, I don't want to fight. And give various reasons why he should not be fighting this war. Okay, let's continue from text number 23. Devotees who would like to read can raise your hands. Text 23. Yotsyamanaan aveksheham ya etetra samagataha tartarashtrasya durbuddher Yuddhe priya chikirshavaha. Synonyms over to a translation. Yotsyamanaan, those who will be fighting. Avikshe, let me see. Aham, I. Ye, who. Ete, those. Atra, here. Samagataha, assembled. Tartarashtrasya, for the son of Dhritarashtra. Durbuddhe, evil-minded. Yuddhe, in the fight. Priya, well. Chikirshavaha, wishing. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Let me see those who have come here to fight, wishing to please the evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra. Rajneesh Prabhu, yes Prabhu, please go ahead, purport.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam.
It was an open secret that Duryodhana wanted to usurp the kingdom of Pandavas by evil plans in collaboration with his father Dhritarashtra. Therefore, all persons who had joined the side of Duryodhana must have been birds of the same feather. Arjuna wanted to see them on the battlefield before the fight was begun, just to learn who they were, but he had no intention of proposing peace negotiations with them. It was also a fact that he wanted to see them to make an estimate of the strength which he had to face, although he was quite confident of victory because Krishna was sitting by his side. Text
Yes.
number 24.
Text 24. Yes. Sanjay Vacha Evam Yukto
Sanjay,
Rishikesha Gudakeshena Bharata Senayorubayor Madhye Stapayitva Ratotamam. Sudha Mataji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna
Synonyms.
Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Pranams.
Hare Krishna pranams.
Synonyms: Sanjay Uvacha, Sanjaya. Sanjaya said, Evam thus, Ukta addressed Rishikesha, Lord Krishna, Gudakeshena by Arjuna, Bharata, O descendant of Bharata, Senayo of the armies, Ubayo both, Madhye in the midst, Stapayitva placing, Rata Uttamam the finest chariot. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Sanjaya said, O descendant of Bharata, having thus been addressed by Arjuna, Lord Krishna drew up the fine chariot in the midst of the armies of both parties. Purport. In this verse, Arjuna is referred to as Gudakesha. Gudaka means sleep, and one who conquers sleep is called Gudakesha. Sleep also means ignorance. So Arjuna conquered both sleep and ignorance because of his friendship with Krishna. As a great devotee of Krishna, he could not forget Krishna even for a moment because that is the nature of a devotee. Either in waking or in sleep, a devotee of the Lord can never be free from thinking of Krishna's name, form, qualities, and pastimes. Thus, a devotee of Krishna can conquer both sleep and ignorance simply by thinking of Krishna constantly. This is called Krishna consciousness or samadhi. As Rishikesha, or the director of the senses and mind of every living entity, Krishna could understand Arjuna's purpose in placing the chariot in the midst of the armies. Thus, he did so and spoke as follows. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. So we see here that now Arjuna is going to come out and say that I don't want to fight the war. Okay, let's take one more shloka. I think we have about 7 minutes. Okay. Text number 25. Bhishma Drona. I hope the screen is visible. Yeah. Bhishma Drona Pramukataha Sarvesham cha Mahikshitaam Vacha Partha Pashyaitan Samavetan Kuruniti. Synonyms, word meaning. Bhishma, grandfather Bhishma, Drona, the teacher, Drona, Pramukataha, in front of, Sarvesham, all, Cha, also, Mahikshitam, chiefs of the world, Vacha, said, Partha, O son of Pratha, Pashya, just behold, Etan, all of them, Samavetan, assembled, Kurun, the members of the Kuru dynasty, iti, thus. Translation: in the presence of Bhishma, Drona, and all the other chieftains of the world, the Lord said, just behold, Partha, all the Kurus assembled here. Purport: as the super soul of all living entities, Lord Krishna could understand what was going on in the mind of Arjuna. The use of the word Rishikesha in this connection indicates that he knew everything. And the word Partha, meaning the son of Pratha or Kunti, is also similarly significant in reference to Arjuna. As a friend, he wanted to inform Arjuna that because Arjuna was a son of Pratha, the sister of his own father Vasudeva, had agreed to become the charioteer of Arjuna. Now, what did Krishna mean when he told Arjuna to behold the Kurus? Did Arjuna want to stop there and not fight? Krishna never expected such things from the son of his aunt Pratha. The mind of Arjuna was thus predicted by the Lord in friendly joking. So here, Krishna wants to deliver Bhagavad Gita, and Krishna has already decided that Nimitta Matram Bhavasabhya Sachan, right? Krishna has already decided Arjuna is going to become the instrument for the delivery of Bhagavad Gita. So that is the reason Krishna has inspired Arjuna to go in between the two armies to have a look at Bhishma Pitamaha, and he was quite sure that Arjuna will do his duty irrespective of anything, right? But somewhere Arjuna is now going to be put into illusion, where he is going to tell Krishna, I don't want to fight, and then the Bhagavad Gita will unfold, or will come out like that, will unfold itself like that. Tatrai pashyat siddhan partha pitrin atha pitamahan acharyan matulan bratrin putran pautran sakim statha shvasuran suhridaschaiva senayor ubayorapi. Synonyms: tatra, there, apashyat, he could see, sthithan, standing, partha, Arjuna, pitrin, fathers, atha, also, pitamahan, grandfathers, acharyan, teachers, matulan, maternal uncles, bratim, brothers, Putran sons, Pautran grandsons, what is that? Sakin friends, Tata to Shwashuran father-in-law, Suhrada well-wishers, Cha also, Eva certainly, Senayo of the armies, Ubayo of both parties, Api including. Translation: there Arjuna could see within the midst of the armies of both the parties his fathers, grandfathers, teachers, maternal uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, friends, and also his father-in-law and well-wisher. On the battlefield, Arjuna could see all his relatives. He could see persons like Burishrava, who were his father's contemporaries, grandfathers Bhishma and Somadatta, teachers like Dronacharya and Kripacharya, maternal uncles like Shalya and Shakuni, brothers like Duryodhana, sons of Lakshmana, friends like Ashwathama, well-wishers like Kritavarma. He could also see the armies which contained many of his friends. So now he is seeing that the opposite army has a lot of my teachers, has a lot of my relatives, those people whom I respect a lot, other friends, and also Kula Guru Kripacharya, great grandfather Bhishma Pitama, all of them Arjuna is seeing. Arjuna is going to get bewildered by the arrangement of the Lord, and this is going to sow the seed of Bhagavad Gita. Grantraj Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki jai. So we'll stop here. We'll do Harinam Sankirtan. I'll request devotees to switch on your cameras. We'll do Harinam Sankirtan for about 3 minutes that's left, and then we'll end our session. So wishing all of you a very, very happy Krishna conscious Indira Ekadashi. Let us engage our Indriyas or all of our senses in the service of the Lord, and let us chant extra rounds, and please update the Google form by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we'll call out your names and chant Narasimha Kavacham for your pleasure, for your benefit, for the pleasure of Nrsimhadev Bhagavan. Namah Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Agadishatarine Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Gauranitai Jai Jai Jagannath Jai Baladev Jai Jai Subhadra Jaya Jai Sudarshan Jai Bala Gopal Jai Rukmini Vitthal Jaya Prahlad Narsingha Jaya Lakshmi Narsingha Jai Chadrabhuja Shaligrim Shila Jai Griva Shaligrim Shila Gopal